Numbers of stone made in Taj Mahal. Do you know have any idea how which type of stone to build the Taj Mahal? 20 types of stone uses in Taj Mahal. I want listen. I want say one शायरी. Do you want listen? मोहब्बत नहीं होती तो गज़ल कौन लिखता, मोहब्बत नहीं होती तो गज़ल कौन लिखता, कीचड़ में पड़े हुए फूल को कमल कौन कहता, कीचड़ में पड़े हुए फूल को कमल कौन कहता। मोहब्बत तो कुदरत का करिश्मा है साहब, मोहब्बत तो कुदरत का करिश्मा है साहब, वरना पत्थर की दीवार को ताजमहल कौन कहता। So I come back my topic Taj Mahal. Do you have any idea which palace Taj Mahal present now? Yes, Agra. And Taj Mahal under 22 rooms, and some person say that room under lots of money, silver, golds, and some person say that it under nothing. That's the main reason he locked. And every person have a no idea about it under which type of thing present and which type of nothing thing. But now government lock this room, and he have a four door, and one door is royal. Only for VIP person go to this gate, and local person come that door, because royal gate under you seen the cover of Mumtaz and Shah Jahan. Mumtaz and Shah Jahan cover every person knows seen, because this now ticket price is 250 rupees. And you have an idea which how many years completed the Taj Mahal?
Yes,
22 years. And how much worker work in Taj Mahal?
Yes,
20,000 people and 1,000 elephant worker present in Taj Mahal. And that time Taj Mahal is very famous. And when Shah Jahan make the Taj Mahal, that time his own son name was a small son name was I forget, but son was very angry, because son said that my all money are losses for this thing. Then Shah Jahan think I make a one black Taj Mahal, but Jahangir was very angry, and he thought always he think when Shah Jahan make the black Taj Mahal, then I will become a poor person, because lots of money I lost in black Taj Mahal. Then Jahangir catch the father and lock the jail, and then Shah Jahan live in lock 5 years. When Shah Jahan was die, then Shah Jahan cover is present in Mumtaz Taj Mahal, and both cover present in one room. And that time, do you know who was the father of Shah Jahan? What's up? Jahangir. And do you know who was the mother of yes, Jagat Gosai? When did Shah Jahan born? 5 January 1592. 1660 was die. 22 January 1660 was die Shah Jahan. And Shah Jahan won courts for own wife, name was Mumtaz for one course. Do you want listen one course? खफा से रहते हो मेरी ख्यालों में क्या, खफा से रहते हो मेरी ख्यालों में क्या, तुम मुझसे कितनी मोहब्बत करते हो पूछ लूँ सवालों में क्या। Then Shah Jahan say कि कुछ खास लिख दूंगा वो भी आज लिख दूंगा, कि कुछ खास लिख दूंगा वो भी आज लिख दूंगा। मैं तुमसे इतनी मोहब्बत करता हूँ, मैं तुमसे इतनी मोहब्बत करता हूँ कि तुम पे पूरी किताब लिख दूंगा। So I am want to come in my topic, Taj Mahal. So you have idea, Taj Mahal have a one park, and park under a 22 trees, and Taj Mahal upper 22 kumbad. That's the main reason 22 kumbad he memorized ki he make the 22 years after he completed the Taj Mahal. And Taj Mahal is so beautiful, and every person want to come to Taj Mahal and showing, and lots of countries people are come in our India only for showing the Taj Mahal, and minimum 60 to 80 lakh person come in our India only for showing the Taj Mahal. And he so feel good because India have a lots of numbers of good things like and Shah Jahan numbers of building made like Taj Mahal, Lal Killa, and Jama Masjid. One Jama Masjid was live in Delhi Jama Masjid, and lots of numbers of things made in Jama Masjid. And Indians people say that when Shah Jahan was come in our India, that's a lucky chance, because 30 years Shah Jahan rules in our India. That's a golden chance our India, because Shah Jahan don't disturb people. He only make the buildings and love his own wife. And Mumtaz was Mumtaz was die, then Shah Jahan get married for Mumtaz's sister and say, you look like your sister, like a Mumtaz. That's the main reason I will marry you. Then Shah Jahan own daughter young, then he said that you look like your mother and I will marry you. Then this is very good, this is very bad for every person, because this is not good. And do you know who was the name of Shah Jahan daughter? Jahan Ara Begum, and he get the marriage of Jahan Ara Begum. That Aurangzeb was very angry for Shah Jahan, and that's the main reason he locked our father in jail. So thank you.